So I have here the XPH07 and the XPH06, both with a 4 amp hour battery on, ready to go. And I am going to today test them out with some auger bits. So we've got a 12mm by 500mm long, a 18mm by 120, and a speed bore bit, which is 25mm or an inch. And I'm going to drive it into this piece of treated timber, treated pine. I'll start off with the XPH06. So the 12mm by 500 long, half a meter auger bit, setting 2 on the XPH06. Well, she did it. Now the XPH06, it doesn't come with a handle. I found this old Makita handle laying around and I've stuck it on, but unfortunately there's nowhere really to put it on here, and so it actually goes onto the torque thing and twists around, which isn't ideal, but there just in case. Same drill bit, but with the XPH07, the big long handle. Setting 2, gearbox setting 2. So somewhat quicker, 18mm bit in the 06. Gearbox 2. That was a bit unfair because I had to go through a knot, but it did pretty well. Let's see how the 07 does. '07 gearbox setting 2, 118mm bit. Much easier. 25mm speed bit in the 06. Gearbox setting 2. Maybe a bit blunt. Let's try it in the 07. Definitely easier in the 07. But I tell you what, I'm still quite impressed with that 06 drill, considering This one here, the 07's meant to be sort of more than twice as powerful. This one did admirably well, and for the weight difference, I mean, it's a lot lighter to carry around, and if you're using it all day, the fatigue factor for the weight of this bloody thing would be quite high. But this will survive a few more knocks and bumps, being that it's a bit more rigid, not plastic. But overall, that's a very good little tool, except for there's nowhere to put a side handle on it, which is a bit of a bugger. Yeah, but good for around the house if you don't do too many things. If you're a builder, of course, you want that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the other video here. This one. Yeah, that one there. That's my full review on these two drills. And cheers, I'll see you on the next one.